Alright guys, so today for our project, we're going to need a few things like glue and scissors and an oval shape that you can trace. I just made this one out of foam paper. And you're going to need some paper. I'm using these colors. I'm using the green for the cactus part and the pink for the flowers, and the teal is going to be my background. So the first thing I need to do is I need to cut 6 ovals. And we're smart artists, so instead of cutting one oval out at a time, we're going to cut out more than one. So you guys can cut out 2 at a time if you'd like. And then you only have to make 3. I am a lot bigger than you guys, so I can actually cut through all of these layers of paper. So I'm going to make 6 all at the same time, but you do not have to do that. So I'm tracing my oval, and then I'm going to cut it out, making sure that I'm cutting through all the layers of paper. It's easier to cut through 2 layers of paper than it is to cut through 6. So just be super careful, and remember, if you need help, ask a grown-up. So now I have my 6 ovals. I'm going to start putting them together. Now we want to make our cactus look 3D and not flat on our paper. We want it to pop up. So in order to do that, we have to fold it in half like this. And you can fold one at a time, or you can be a smart artist and you can fold them all at the same time. It tends to fit better when you fold them all at the same time. So now we're going to put the bottom layer of our cactus on. Now my cactus is going to have 2 layers. Your cactus can have as many layers if you want. So if you want to keep making this bigger and bigger and bigger, you can just cut out more ovals. So we're going to glue the papers together like that. It kind of looks like a ball. So we want to put glue only on the outside of our little semicircles here. Only on the outside. Then that little guy gets sandwiched in the middle. I'm going to do the same thing for the top, putting glue only on the outside. Now we can glue them to the paper. It's time to make our cactus flowers, and we also want to make some prickles, some spikes for our cactus. So the first thing I'm going to do is make some spikes, and I'm just cutting little triangles out of my rectangle here. Just cutting little tiny triangles. And now I want to make the cactus flowers. So I'm slicing in to my strip of paper here. And I'm cutting all the way down to the end. And it's a little too big, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and cut it so that I can have 2 pieces. Then you fold it around itself like this. And we can make kind of a 3D flower by fluffing out some of those little strips that we cut. I'm going to glue that guy right there. And if you don't have a glue stick and you have regular liquid glue, that works just fine as well. Now it's time to glue on all my little spikes. Ta-da! And that is how we make a cool, super cool 3D cactus. Can't wait to see yours!